Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn about filters and how to set filters on our particular column. So filter is a one type of functionality provided by Excel which we can set on particular column to for the filtration of data. So if I set filter on month, then I can select particular month's data to see. So suppose I have set filter on month and I am selecting only January and February month of that filter, then I will only see data of January and February. So this is the use of filter, and it used for filtering the data in tables. So now let's see how to set filter on particular columns. So I am selecting month column to set filter. Now go to the editing menu and select sort and filter and select filter option from that menu. So automatically filtration to each column will be set. Now you can see one arrow beside the month column will be there. So click on that arrow and one menu will be opened in which you have to select various month available in your data. So I am selecting only January and March and click on OK. So you can see only data of January and March is come. Now I want to see only data of quarter 1 and quarter 2 of January and March. So I have to go to the quarter and only select quarter 1 and quarter 2 and press OK. So now data is filtered and you can see only quarter 2 and quarter 1 data of January and March months. You can also filter it out by year and channel. Suppose you want to only see the data of catering and direct sales of all months. So press OK to all months and select catering and direct sales. So you can see only data of catering and direct sales. So this is how you can filter your data and take reports of data as per your requirements. So this is about filtering data into the Excel. Thank you.